excuse me, I am going to start a fire alarm tour of the Maplewoods Tower, Mississauga, Ontario. What we got here is a Mircom retrofit speaker installed in 2002. I believe this is a discontinued product. So I'm going to show most of the building and show you what it's like, the fire alarm system. And they're doing the annual fire alarm test right now. So here we go. It's very windy out today, it's like gusting to 60 kilometers an hour in Mississauga. Okay, what we got up here is a SP4 by Mircom. I believe they changed the name to that, to a number, rather than just with the letters, but I'm not too sure about that. So yeah, here we got is a MS-400 series by Mircom Pulse Station. I believe this is addressable. And yeah, I have one of those, but mine's conventional. Yep, all I can hear is that clicking most of the day. What we got here, this is not in use though. It's a Mirtone speaker. I believe it's a QSB-8ST. I have one in my collection. That's what you're going to hear all day, that clicking. Here we got here is a Mirtone emergency telephone, the warden's fire thing or whatever. Maybe a Mirtone to open used key or break glass. Well, yeah. This is made of Mirtone, installed in 1980. Got another speaker up here. You got a fire hose for used by trained persons only. I saw a woman cleaning one of these on the basement floors the other day. Yesterday. Onto the garbage room. Here's another Mirtone speaker. All I got here is a heat detector. I'm not sure what the model is though. Could be Mircom. But I'm not too sure if the model, if you can tell me, please let me know. Thanks. Let's go down to the first floor. What we got here is another pulse station. This is for the surveillance technician. Mirtone speaker. How you doing this morning?
Hi, good morning.
Morning to you.
Good.
Good. Oh look, they replaced a smoke detector with a Mircom addressable smoke detector here. I'm not too sure that's Mircom or something like that, but there used to be another one right there by Mircom, so it looks like they replaced it. So let's go down to B1. I believe that's a Mircom speaker or Mirtone, I'm not too sure. Another MS-400 series pulse station. Another one over there. Here's another Mircom speaker. Sideways. Let's go check out the laundry room. There's another heat detector over there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not too sure what that is. That's a CO detector alarm. There's another Mircom speaker right there. Let's go into the laundry room and see what we see. Whoops, wrong keys. Oh, it's closed. Tuesdays, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. I can't go in there. Oh well. But there's a CO detector right there, and there's a Mircom speaker. Let's go down to B3 and I'll show you something. I'll show you the fire alarms in the basement. Sorry. Another speaker right there. Another telephone right there. There's a heat detector in the corridors as well, but not in here. Another Mircom speaker. Another Mirtone speaker. Oh, this is my first fire alarm tour of a building. Now, this is probably going to be the only place I'm going to do. Here's another Mircom MS 400 series pulse station. It must likely be addressable. And see if there's a smoke detector right here. Nope. No smoke detectors there. There used to be an Edwards 270 SPO right there. Pull it, obviously, Jordan. My bad. Another Mircom pulse station. Let me show where the doorbell is. There's an Edwards doorbell right here. I think. I just need to find it. There it is. It's an Edwards doorbell. I believe it's a 6500D series doorbell. I don't believe it's in service right now, and there's a bunch of cobwebs. It's all dirty, and the logo's been rusted off. I have 2 of those in my collection. And here, this is not in use though, but this is a Mirtone 4-inch speaker installed in 1980. Right here it says Mirtone. I don't know if you can see it. It says Mirtone right there. Would be nice if I can acquire that one, but I don't think it's probably because they cannot get it off. That's okay though. Would be nice to have it. So here, got Wheelock E or ET 1080s, vandal resistant speakers. There's 2 of them on one side of the other, on some kind of box, as you can see. However, Mircom sells Wheelock products as well. So here we go. Go back upstairs. We'll take the stairs up. I'll show you around. Over here in here, got another heat detector. Right up here. Not too sure what the model of these are, who made these. Could be Mircom or Cerberus Pyrotronics, I'm not too sure. Let me see if I can see it. I can't see it. I don't know if you can see it, hang on. Let me get a better view of it. No, I can't.